India, basically used in breathing techniques, exercise, and meditation, helps to improve health and happiness.
योग का अर्थ है एकता या बांधना। इस शब्द की जड़ है संस्कृत शब्द युज, जिसका मतलब है जुड़ना। यह योग या एकता आसन, प्राणायाम, षटकर्म, बंध, मुद्रा के अभ्यास के माध्यम से प्राप्त की जाती है।
The fundamental concept of yoga is to foster harmony in the body, mind, and environment. Yoga professes a complete system of physical, mental, social, and spiritual development.
યોગ એ ધર્મ, આસ્થા અને અંધવિશ્વાસથી ઉપર છે. યોગ એક સરળ વિજ્ઞાન છે. યોગ એ પ્રાયોગિક વિજ્ઞાન છે. યોગ એટલે જીવન જીવવાની કળા.
Karma. I have thrown this word quite often in my life, and I'm sure you all must have been acquainted with it. You all must be thinking that why am I talking about karma today? As we are talking about yoga, the very first change which we see is the change in mind, that is, the change in karma through yoga. Yoga helps us to mold our karma into positive actions and thoughts. We must have talked about karma when we get a beautiful spot, when we get a beautiful parking space in a beach, or when someone's positive thoughts or someone's actions are justified. Yeah, this is all karma that we change through yoga. Physical exercise, maintaining balance, breathing exercise, meditation, everything helps us to rejuvenate ourselves. It helps us to maintain peace. It helps us to how to treat with other people and to treat ourselves with compassion, harmony, and honesty. It helps us to be a better person. It helps us to know that how we are interlinked with each other. It helps us to be more patient and retaliateless. It helps us to be more realistic. And eventually it helps us to tell that what we are doing and what we are realizing. That's all karma.
By practicing yoga in our daily life will improve our physical, mental and social health, which ultimately change our personality as well. Various yogasanas like Vajrasana, Padmasana will improve our sitting postures. The quality of our voice, the way we speak, affects how we are heard, how well others listen to us. Someone who speaks freely and confidently with a clear tone of voice is much easier to listen to the person whose voice grates with the stress and shakes with the nose.
Asanas, body posture, originally and still a general term for sitting meditation poses and later extended in Hatha Yoga and modern yogas as exercise to any type of pose or position, adding, reclining, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing poses. So basically there are many type of asanas that need to be covered such as Sarvangasana, Halasana, Surya Namaskar and so many more.
Dhanurasana, bow pose, is a back-bending pose in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as an exercise. It basically strengthens back muscles, improves posture, stimulates organs of abdomen and neck. Trikonasana, a type of asana basically used down to increase our stability. A type of asana that activates your core muscles, which aids in balance and stability. This is a type of asana that is even used down to reduce our stress.
ધ્યાન એટલે સારા સ્વાસ્થ્ય માટેનો રાજમાર્ગ. ધ્યાન એ માત્ર આધ્યાત્મિક કે ધાર્મિક જ નહીં, પરંતુ શારીરિક અને માનસિક શક્તિઓને જાગૃત કરી મનુષ્યમાં નવી ઉર્જાનો સંચાર કરે છે. ધ્યાનની શરૂઆત ઓમથી થાય છે, જેને સંપૂર્ણ બ્રહ્માંડના પ્રારંભ સાથે સરખાવી શકાય. આજના યુગમાં મનુષ્ય જ્યારે ચિંતાયુક્ત અને તણાવમય મહાસાગરમાં ડૂબેલો છે ત્યારે તેમાંથી ઉગારવાનો એકમાત્ર ઉપાય છે ધ્યાન. આમ ધ્યાન એટલે શુદ્ધ, સાત્વિક અને સારા સ્વાસ્થ્યની પૂંજી.